You haven't even said anything to that elk, Waffles. What are you gonna do? What are you gonna do? He's laughing at you. Deep inside, he's laughing at you. You're not gonna be able to do anything to him. I just don't want another one to come up behind me. Why are you coming towards me, mister? We keep walking away from you and you keep coming towards us. Yeah, come on. Come on, Waffles. Good girl. Good girl. He shakes. He... He's being weird. Let's go.